So guys, yes, today is 28th of April and the time is almost 9:10 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page here, you can see the Nifty 50 is opening at 17,189.50, that is 0.89% up. Advanced stocks are 46, declared as are 4 and 0 and change stocks. So yes, the market is opening in a gap up section today. So the most gap up section stock is India Unilever with 3.96% up and Bajaj Auto with 2.42% up and UPL with 1.99% up, and the most gap down opening stock is Britannia with 2.04% down and SBI Life with 0.53% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market as open today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. So you can go inside my channel. So I upload a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel, so you can watch all these videos and subscribe to my channel. And also I do upload the live trade what I do every day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Yes, as right now I've decided to short sell HDFC Bank in the market level. So let's sell now around 1367. So yes, we have entered the short sell position in HDFC Bank. So guys, yes, this stock is in a very good support level. It can bounce up very quick anytime. So that's why, to be in a safer side, I'll keep 5 to 6 point targets and exit soon. Okay, so why I selected short sell is because some of a key support level has been broken and it can go down a bit is what I am guessing. So that's why I've taken a support level. And yes, you can see some of the time the stock will try to pull up from here. Okay, even though if it goes up, it will come back down. Okay, so that's what I'm guessing. So let's wait for the HDFC Bank to give a breakout and give a target. So it will take some time according to me. So we have to wait today. But anyway, we'll see how it will perform. I'm not expecting too long of a target here because, as I said, the market is already 0.50% up. So the market is towards the upper side and we are in a short sell position. But yet I am guessing it will come down. Let's see what will happen and we'll wait for it to come down. So 1367 now, HDFC Bank. So let's see how the stock will perform, and once I take my exit I'll update you. So there is some support level, okay, so which is below 1363 or 1364, somewhere around there. So from there, if the stock takes a support, it can go up till there and it will come back again. And let's see how the market will perform. Also, it depends on the market. If the market turns down, the stock will also come down very quickly, or if the market continues to go up, then I shall take my exit very quickly and I'll update you guys. Okay, so I do take my entry and exit based on the market trend and how the market is performing. If the market is towards the trade what I have taken, if the market is coming down and if I'm in a sell set, then I'll wait more. If the market is going up, then I'm in a sell set, then I'll take the exit soon. Okay, so there will always be a stock trend which will be opposite to a market always. If the market is up, there are some stock which are falling. If the market is down, there are some stock which is going up. So likewise, only today's example, you can see the market is going up, but still the stock is coming to downside. So that's why I have taken a sell side. So let's see what will happen. We are in a short sell position of HDFC Bank, so not expecting a much of a long movement here. So once I feel the entry and the exit is safe, I'll just take my exit. Okay, so let's see. So guys, yes, as I was telling you, the stock did come up. The stock did come up till 1370 and again it started to go down. So now it's trading again at 1367 levels and the market is again 0.40% down. The market is also range bounded. So not much of the stocks are moving to the positive side also. So most of the stocks opened in a gap up section today and now in a very range bounded section. Okay, so not giving a much of a movement here. So let's wait for the stock to come down is what I'm guessing right now. So let's see, let's wait. It will take some time because the market is very range bounded as of now. So let's see what will happen. So we are holding the sell position still in HDFC Bank. So let's see. So guys, yes, now the HDFC Bank is making a new lows, that is 1364.65 is a new low made as of now. So it's very slow movement. So that's why let's see how it will perform. So now it's 1364. So once it comes near the target, I'll just exit. My target will be right now, I'm thinking of 5 points because the market is very range bounded as of now. Even the stock is moving in a very range bounded way, so it might reverse back anytime to the upper side. So that's why, to be in a safer side, I'll just take my 5 to 6 points target and exit, and I'll update you guys. So this is the trade which I'm taking according to the current market situation. So you need to analyze all these things when you are in a trade. You should see how the market is performing, how the stock is performing, how the stock index is performing. So all these things you need to observe. Okay, so if you guys wish to learn all these techniques which are very simple and which you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in intraday trading. So guys, yes, if you guys can see here, the stock middle of 1362 and I took my exit, and yes, as I said you, the market was going to the positive side and the stock did take a support and went up. So anyway, I took the exit there. So this was a profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of HDFC Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all the techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.